यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear loving children. Today, I don't know why I'm slightly, off the mood. Off the mood means the word which I have chosen today truly reflects the ongoing scenario in the world arena. The word is vampire. V-A-M-P-I-R-E. Vampire. It gives me very sickening effect, and it resembles of a scenario in which somebody is bent upon eating away the share of others. It looks like with the outbreak of corona, when entire world community is prodding finger. I have used the word prodding finger. इसे बोलते हैं ना, उसके ऊपर उंगली जाती है, prodding finger, or casting aspersion on somebody, or it's a very famous adage, or the proverb, all roads lead to Rome. You ask anybody, from where did this corona arise? Everyone says it arose from Wuhan. Where is Wuhan? In China. And just see the moral complexity or the dubious complexity of that Chinese people, authorities. They didn't have the moral compunction to listen to the miseries, ongoing miseries which might inflict the whole of the world population, which ultimately did that. They had already countenanced this coronavirus spread in the month of September itself, and they had planned. It is said that most of the people who were killed in China, they were hardly shown on the TV or the media. As it is, Chinese people and the Chinese administration are a very close-knit government. They hardly make their informations in public. So that was very dastardly act on the part of China. More than lakh of the people as of now have been killed by this deadly pandemic. So when it was appropriate to coin a word and to find a word which I thought I must share with my children, what would be the scenario like that can be described today when the widespread of corona is so rampant in whole of the world? You can hardly reckon any country's name where this COVID-19 has not spread its tentacle. मैंने वर्ड यूज किया, spread its tentacle. इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? अपने पाँव नहीं पसारे. It was having a gigantic efforts on the parts of the government to control it. Their major portion of resources have been just squandered. Otherwise, which they could have utilized in different productive works. Quarantine people, gave them sanitation, hygiene, and mental distraught. This kind of scenario has come to almost all parts of the world. So the word which I have taken for you is vampire. The literal definition, if you look this word in dictionary, and dictionary has a different meaning, lexicon. Mind you, I am here to give you many words, as many words as I feel like, so that my idea is not to give you my flawless speech to you. My idea is that my loving children should gather They should know as many word power as possible, so that you can really use your, this productive period of life for gainful utility. You can utilize your time by knowing their meaning. More and more words should be your reservoir. So the word is vampire. What is vampire? A person who habitually preys upon others. Preys, Preys. प्रेज का मतलब क्या है? शिकार. आपने कभी चील को देखा होगा, गिद्ध को देखा होगा. ये मरे हुए मांस के ऊपर गिद्ध जाके अपनी नजर डाले रहते हैं. Any animal dying, they just wait from a distance, maybe 2 or 3 feet away. They just wait. They will not kill you while you are alive. I'm talking about the animal, the weak animal. Why about animal? Even about the human beings. And as soon as a person or an animal dies, those vultures really pounce back upon that dead body. You must have seen this kind of scenario on National Geographic Channel or History Channel, Animal Planet. This is very common. It's very, outrageous though, but that's the reality. That's the rule of jungle. But we were knowing that civilized society would be conducting in a manner which deemed fit to be called civilized human being. But what we saw now was a dastardly act. It was as if some vampire is bent upon sucking the blood. In the villages also, you must have seen there are many kind of money lenders. They lend money to the needy people, and taking the advantage of their misery or their predicaments, bad days. Predicaments मतलब bad days. Miseries मतलब उसके बुरे दिन. They fix up any kind of, returning interest which they have given you in form of help or loan. They suck your money. And finally the person who is debted, जो कर्ज में गया हुआ है, that is called debted. People normally, they spell it debt, D-E-B-T-E-D, but it is not debt. The word B is silent. It is pronounced as debted, though it is written as D-E-B-T-E-D, but spelled, pronounced as debted. The debtor, the one who gives money, if he puts unreasonable terms and conditions from the person who is already suffering, that is called an act of vampire. Though noun, but if somebody has been badly crushed under economic subjugation, it can be used as noun also, verb also. I didn't know that I shall be vampire. मुझे क्या पता था कि ये बंदा मेरा खून चूस लेगा. Now, just imagine V-A-M-P-I-R-E, vampire is a noun. But if you want to use it as verb, you can say he has been vampire. That means he has been suckled blood in lieu of the help which he rendered. He collected so much of interest on that sum. That man was finally plundered. You must have seen many people in your vicinity, wherever you stay. You must have seen there are some people, those poor people who are vegetable vendors, small time petty operators like petty businessmen. They seldom go to bank to fetch a loan of 5,000, 4,000, 3,000. They don't go to bank. And the bank system is so cumbersome, so painful, that nobody wants to go to bank. So what they do, they go to money lenders. Money lenders are everywhere. Outside your house, in your community, in your society, where you live. There are certain people, maybe some new rich, some miser kind of people who have saved money from different sources, and their full-time profession is to lend money. But when the question of returning money comes, they don't take the principal amount. They just take the interest. And in that interest, they suck your blood. That is called vampire. A person who habitually preys upon others. What is prey? P-R-E-Y, prey means shikar. Now see the definition. A person who habitually preys upon others. एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो दूसरे को शिकार करता है. शिकार मतलब उसको जान नहीं मारता, लेकिन मौत से भी बुरी हालत कर देता है. उसको कुछ पैसा दिया लोन में, और लोन के बदले इतने इंटरेस्ट कलेक्ट कर लेता है कि वो बंदा कभी जीने लायक रहता ही नहीं है. He finally succumbs to the misery. He dies, which his offspring, उसके बीवी बच्चे को भरना पड़ता है. So that word is called vampire. I have used the word vampire. That's a noun. Noun is what? Name of a person, place or thing is called noun. But this word can be used as verb also. Remember, I have used this word. I read a book. Book is a noun. But when this book has to be used in form of verb, it shall be used as a criminal has been booked in the police station. Here it becomes a verb. Now vampire, as long as it is noun, he is a vampire. His habits is one of a vampire, means noun. But when we have to use it in form of verb, that poor man who took some money from Mr. XYZ has been vampired, means he has been used as prey. I believe this word is by now very clear in its meaning. Now let us see some more words. Bloodsucker. Bloodsucker. आपके खून चूस ले. Recently, China has demonstrated that. Firstly, they spread the coronavirus world over. They locked down their own city. It is a travesty to common sense that entire part of the world is spread. The coronavirus is spread to all the places of the world, far and wide, nook and corner, different parts of the world. But see the magic. It was only Wuhan in China which was inflicted. It means Chinese people knew it, that this is my work of my nefarious thinking, and so deliberately they contained that city and it could not spread out of Wuhan. So I would use the word, the vampirous tendency of Chinese could easily be notified, could easily be witnessed, could easily be manifested, could easily be seen. These are all same description. Manifestation. What is manifestation? जो दिखाई देता है. Now I can see that none of the Chinese cities have been inflicted. किसी भी Chinese cities में नहीं लगा. It was only in Wuhan. It means they experimented in the hospital. Coronavirus spread, and they locked down their city, Wuhan city, where the lab was situated, in a manner lest it should not spread to different parts of China. Oh, what a vampire! The description that I'll give, what a vampire, what a bloodsucker. And how do we say China to be bloodsucker? Now they were already prepared that people will die. If people will die, then what we shall do? We shall supply them ventilators, we will supply them sanitizers, mask, N95 mask. How come? Are you God? Or are you a prognosticator? That what is going to happen tomorrow, you had already foreseen that. Is it possible? Not at all. It was well calculated design on the part of China. They knew it. The virus has spread far-flung areas of the world. And the people in this emergency, in this exigency, they would definitely seek help. And since we have overpowered this coronavirus, we would be in a position to help the world community and extract as much money as we feel like. Therefore, we will suck the blood. That is the same blood sucker I am talking about. And what is this? Vampire. What is vampire? Those who are waiting to suck your blood in any form. Vampire. Now look at some other word. Predator. 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 You must have seen in Animal Planet or National Geographic Channel. You know, behind the bush, these predators in form of hyenas, lions, tigers, leopards, they are just hiding behind the bush or behind the trunk. Their size is very small, but they are very skillful predators. What are predators? Shikari. शिकार करने में. Because they thrive on killing others. Similarly, vampire also thrive on killing someone else. They will suck your blood. They will give you money in the pretext of helping for a while. And ultimately, they will suck your blood. They will drain you of all the money which you have in form of interest. And they will leave you of no use at all. So they are called predators. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. It is a she, fish. In sea, you must have seen sea. समुद्र में देखे होगे sea. A-C-A-C. There is a very predator or attacking fish, shark, that kills human being. Normally when somebody is in distress and one who is going to subjugate someone, the distressed one said, don't become shark, don't become killer. There was a movie also on shark. It had killed many people in the sea. Similarly, you can use the word vulture. Don't try to be vulture. Somebody who is very, atrocious in their nature. सताने वाला बंदा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वो तो गिद्ध सोच है उसकी, vulture वाली सोच है. ये जो चील होता है, बहुत दूर से दिखाई देता है उसको. And they just pounce upon the prey. एक खरगोश कितनी प्यारी जानवर होती है, या होता है. मीलों से उसकी आंख उसके ऊपर पड़ी रहती है और अचानक आएगा उठा लेगा. They are called predators. So vultures are also predators. Vultures की कैटेगरी में क्या आते हैं? गिद्ध, बाज, चील, ये सब vultures होते हैं. और समाज में कौन vulture होते हैं? आतताई लोग, जो दूसरे के ऊपर, दूसरे के धन के ऊपर, दूसरे के जायदाद के ऊपर नजर रखते हैं और कभी कभी किसी के प्राण के ऊपर भी. लेकिन पर्पस वही होता है, धन. आपने देखा होगा भेड़िया, नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक चैनल में. दे सक ब्लड, दे किल, दे डोंट वेट फॉर द प्रे. शिकार को मरने का भी इंतजार नहीं करते. दे स्टार्ट ईटिंग. द अफ्रीकन डॉग्स, इवन द हाइनास. हाइनास को हम लोग इंडिया में बोलते हैं लकड़बग्घा. Very powerful job. Some people in the society are of the same character, very powerful. Politically also they connected. They will have very good contact with the MLAs, and they have very good contact with the MPs. They have very good contact with the administration also. So, under the guise of influential people, they keep on being protected for longer period, and they perpetrate मैंने वर्ड यूज किया है, मतलब अपनी जालिम पना को फैलाते रहते हैं, बढ़ाते रहते हैं. परपेट्रेट फॉर ए लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑन ए वीकर पीपल. अब देखो, दीज आर द वर्ड्स व्हिच कम्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ सिनोनिम्स ऑफ वैम्पायर. अब लेट्स सी व्हाट इज एंटोनिम. प्रे. ये अभी कौन था? शिकारी. वैम्पायर की कैटेगरी में जैसे मैंने वर्ड बोला क्या? ब्लड सकर, वल्चर, shark, predator. These are in the category of synonyms. आप बच्चे का पूछोगे कि सर कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे, Anybody who is a suppressor, anybody who is an oppressor, जो दूसरे को सताता है, उसके धन को पाने के लिए कुछ भी कर्म कुकर्म कर सकता है, जान मारता है, आर्थिक तरीके से तंग करता है, she would be called vampire. vampire, vampire. Your act is nothing but an act of vampire. मेरे साथ बोलो, vampire. vampire, vampire. Vampire. These are the ways to remember the words. Repeat it as many times as you feel like, so that these words really comes flying from the lexicon or from the paper to your own mind consciousness. Now let's look at the antonyms. What are the antonyms? Prey, P-R-E-Y, prey, शिकार. बेचारा लेम डक, मैंने बोला था फैसिलिटेटर में, लेम डक, सिटिंग डक, बैठा हुआ है, उसको आगे मार के लेके चला गया. ये छोटे छोटे गरीब लोग, बहुत निरीह लोग होते हैं, इनको मदद की जरूरत है, लेकिन जो मनी लेंडर्स होते हैं, इनके ऊपर उनकी गिद्ध दृष्टि रहती है, उनके पैसे चूस लेते हैं. मदद करने के नाम पे वो कुछ उधार देते हैं, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट कभी नहीं वापस लेंगे, इंटरेस्ट लेते रहेंगे, तब तक तो बेचारा खराब हो जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है. जाड़ा हो, गर्मी हो, बरसात हो, उसका बिजनेस चले या ना चले, लेकिन उनका इंटरेस्ट भाई साहब का चलता रहेगा. Such people are called vampire. So my dear loving children, I believe this word would be very clear to you as far as its meaning is concerned. Look for its meaning in the dictionary, and clarification purpose I have given you ample clarification of the word, and try to look for its synonyms, antonyms besides what I am giving you now. You can look at its meaning in thesauruses for synonyms, antonyms, and try to read as much paper as possible, so that you can find these words every now and then, and it will be very useful for you to practice. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय